Imagine this. I showed up at the Odessa flea market with just $200 in my pocket and one mission: to find real treasures hidden in the junk. And you know what? I actually found them. Rolex, Movado with moon phase, Orient Calendar, Seiko Chronograph, and a whole bunch of other fire pieces. Today, I'm taking you with me on the full hunt. I'll show every single watch, share all the emotions, and honestly tell you how much I can make on them. What's up, bro? Doesn't matter if you're 25 or 55. I'm sure you'll enjoy this. Today, I put myself to the test. $200, not a cent more. Odessa flea market, bright sunshine, huge crowds, dust everywhere, the smell of shashlik and old things. My heart was pounding because here you can either hit the jackpot or lose everything. I'm walking between the stalls and I already feel today is going to be special. The first find came literally in the first few minutes. A dirty, beaten-up Orient crystal from the 70s. Beautiful black dial. The seller says, just take it cheap. I hand over $8. $8. But the movement is still ticking and the dial looks alive. Right then, I smiled. The day was already off to a good start. Next up, pure classic. Soviet pocket Molniya watch. Flip open case, that reliable old mechanism. $10. For those over 50, this is a straight hello from your youth. For the younger guys, this is a real piece of history you can hold in your hands. Then I almost dropped my jaw. The seller pulls out a Rolex Datejust. Crown is there, it looks solid. But I instantly knew it was a rep. Still, for $20? I stood there thinking, take it or walk away. In the end, I bought it. Let it stay in the collection as a reminder that sometimes even a fake can look really cool, especially a 70s style rep. Right after that, Capital Alarm with a real working alarm. Roman numerals, proper old school charm. $11. Just imagine, back in the day, these watches woke up entire families for factory shifts in school. The total is climbing, but I can't stop myself. Number 5, Black Orient in diver style. Steel bracelet, strong masculine look. $15. A solid, worthy buy. The sixth find, I literally froze. Movado with moon phase. Gold-plated case, pure old money aesthetic. $17. It took my breath away. Watches like this instantly raise your level. Seventh hit, Orient Multi-Year Calendar. Multi-Year Calendar, automatic movement. $20. Bro, when I held it in my hands, I knew this was one of the main scores of the whole day. Omax with the little stones on the dial for $10. Raketa with the red star for 11. The seller waved his hand and said, "They don't work." But I saw potential. They just needed some care. Number 10. Fun Swatch Chronograph for $16. Number 11. Seiko Chronograph with tachymeter. $27. The most expensive buy of the day. Black dial, all functions working. The adrenaline was pumping hard. Number 12. Another Orient, but for parts, only $2. Number 13. Raketa, just the case. $1. Bought it purely as a donor. Sometimes you have to think not only about beauty, but about spare parts for future restorations. Then Pobeda for $2. Small Zim for $2. Sector Chronograph for $18. And the final Edox with that stunning guilloché dial for $21. That's it. Exactly $200 spent. 17 watches. From total junk to pieces with real soul. Let's be honest. After proper restoration, cleaning, and making them look fresh, I see a realistic profit of $1,300 to $1,900 on top. Not millions, but very solid for one day at the flea market. But you know what's the best part? It's not even the money. It's the hunt itself. When you're digging through piles of old stuff and suddenly spot something that everyone else walked right past, it teaches you to see value where others see garbage, in watches, in old things, and in life in general. By the way, important reminder, the most active subscriber, the one who likes, comments, and watches, will win a watch from my personal collection on June 8th. So get active, no matter your age. Now it's your turn. Which find do you think was the strongest? Drop the number in the comments. First Orient, Movado with moon phase, Seiko Chronograph, Orient Calendar, or one of the Soviet classics. If you want to see me restore all these watches step by step, smash that like button and write restoration in the comments. Subscribe, turn on notifications. We're just getting started. This was Raketa from the Odessa flea market. See you on the next hunt, bro. Let's go!